The joint U.S. and Philippine military exercises / simulated war games that has been on for nearly 40 years officially kicked off today with 11,000 U.S. soldiers and 5,000 local military personnel, to include over a 170 police supplemental force in participation. This year, the Philippine Coast Guard will finally join the U.S. and French navies with its fleet of 6 ships for a group sail plus take on cyberspace. Warfare in this year's exercises, as our Patrick De Jesus tells us in this report.
I officially declare the Philippines-United States exercise Balikatan 39-2024 open, effective today.
The 39th edition of Balikatan, or shoulder-to-shoulder exercises between the Philippines and U.S., officially kicked off today. This is considerably one of the largest Balikatan exercise in history, wherein more than 11,000 American soldiers and 5,000 Filipino troops will take part. Contingents from France and Australia will also have direct participation in some of the activities, while the other 14 countries will serve as observers. The Balikatan 2024, that focuses on territorial defense, will be conducted until May 10, with activities in Ilocos, Zambales, and Batanes in northern Luzon, partly in Palawan, and up to the extent of the Philippines' exclusive economic zone for the first time. The AFP says close to 4 decades of Balikatan continue to show the warm relationship between the Philippines and America in partnership with other allied countries.
It is not a partnership of convenience, but rather a clear reflection of our shared history, unwavering commitment to democracy, and respect for international law in our pursuit of peace and security in the Indo-Pacific region.
We're going to show the people of the Philippines and the world that we've gotten better, and we're never going to stop doing so.
A day before the opening of Balikatan, 2 Chinese maritime militia vessels were spotted just 30 nautical miles away from Palawan, based on the AIS monitoring of maritime security expert Ray Powell. The AFP has no confirmation on this, but anticipates the presence of Chinese ships moving forward, as multilateral maritime exercise in the West Philippine Sea will be conducted with French Navy joining the sail. The AFP has affirmed they will not be affected by any show of aggression by unfriendly forces.
Surely, I would say that we would expect some presence of the Chinese side also, because they have built their structures in these areas. We wouldn't see any problem so long as we follow international law and follow our mutually agreed cooperative mechanisms.
First time also in Balikatan history, the Philippine Coast Guard will take part in the group sail, with 6 of their ships joining.
Gagawin po natin yung kailangan gawin at sisiguraduhin natin na walang makaka-istorbo o makakagambala doon sa mga nasabing exercise.
Not just in land, and will all in the cyber through an information warfare exercise as part of this year's set of rigid drills. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.